Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that actually fix most App Store sign-in issues. Make sure you have a working Wi-Fi or cellular connection and switch networks to test. Next, go into Settings and re-enter your Apple ID credentials so you can rule out a typo or expired password. Once done, update iOS to the latest version and restart the device. Updates often resolve authentication bugs, and restarting clears temporary caches that block the App Store. Now you dig into account-level causes. Open Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping to remove expired cards or add a valid payment method because App Store access can be blocked by billing issues. Also, make sure two-factor authentication is set up and your trusted phone or email is reachable. Codes must arrive for sign-in. Finally, verify your App Store region matches your Apple ID region, since mismatched regions prevent purchases and can cause sign-in errors. Finish by force quitting the App Store app and reopening it to clear a stuck state. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, reboot the device, then sign back in to refresh credentials. Reinstall affected apps if downloads are blocked. If problems persist, contact Apple support or reset your Apple ID password. That single action often fixes hidden account flags. One key troubleshooting tip: test signing in on another device or at Apple.com to isolate device versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.